So this is Fatberg, a rock-like mass of waste matter living in our sewer system. It is formed by us, by the combination of flushed wet wipes, condoms, cotton buds, napkins, food waste, fat, oil, and grease deposits. So everything we flush down the toilet and wash down from the kitchen sink. But from what it is really made of? We went into search of it. We took a sample from the city sewer company and sent into a lab. We made an electron microscopy to investigate the detailed structure of the tissues, cells, macromolecular complexes, physical and chemical analysis of this waste matter. But we also searched for the sources of our waste in the statistical office of the Republic of Serbia. And what we found out is that we created a clone, our clone, of course, in a different shape and form. We created a new intelligence that is capable of breeding, growing, eating, and eventually, if we don't take care of it, it can destroy our lives. So in order to visualize our Fatberg, we created an online game of chance. By clicking the flush button, the Fatberg is fed by our data. So the data obtained by the laboratory, the wastewater quality data, and the vast number of analytical data taken over from the Statistical Office of Serbia. So this digital data is basically our digital waste. At the Statistical Office of Serbia, there is data on newborns, on drug addicts, on divorces, city traffic, housing, bank accounts, farm animals, and the list just goes on. So the game was built using k-means clustering algorithm. And it had a little chaotic twist because we put many different sources that contextually and numerically didn't have anything in common with each other. So we got this concept of garbage in and garbage out. The algorithm created clusters and estimated, for example, how close the bank accounts are to the number of cattle in South Serbia, or how close is Escherichia coli to the number of drug addicts younger than 20 in central Serbia. So the algorithm also showed how these clusters are depending on a certain type of bacteria. So biologically, we now know what Fatberg is made of. But let's say biopolitically, this experiment opened up a broader understanding of our complex relationship with our waste and, of course, its consequences on our ecology. The results of the algorithm are seen each time differently by random generation of data through a 3D diagram illustration. So symbolically, this shows our interconnectedness to every human, non-human, and even non-living entities or structures in this planet. Okay, we took a little sample, a small case study in Serbia, but this can go bigger. Fatberg was first exhibited at the Art and Science exhibition at the Museum of Science and Technology in Belgrade, commissioned by the Center of Promotion of Science in Belgrade. We exhibited also the Fatberg itself. We designed an arcade game for clicking the flash button. And I will take the opportunity also to thank all the other authors of this project for making this happen. Sanja Anđelković, Stefana Janićijević, Jovana Pešićč, Luka Lopičić, Vanja Novaković, and also, of course, all the collaborators and the super team of the sewerage system in Novi Sad. Of course, if somebody wants to try its luck, the anatomy of Fatberg is still online. by the Serbian version of the title, Anatomija Fatberga.info. Thank you.